Okay, for this slide, we're going to talk about your writing. So when you're writing this part, you're just going to take your pictures that you have and we're going to slide them up here for now and we're going to shrink them down so that we can use them later. And I just want you to worry about getting your writing in, and then we're going to organize the slide after that. So we have all the ants off the pictures and your title slide, and we're going to put in your text box to write your anecdotal story. I'm going to put it right here. I can click it down like that, and there's my box. I'm going to keep the font small. Like when I come here, you have 14. I think 14 is a good size for now. We can make it bigger later. But for now, that will work so you can see. And I'm going to write about the story of my first grade experience. My most memorable experience in elementary school is from first grade. My teacher, Mrs. Cork Crow, was teaching us how to read. While I was concentrating, I was nervous she was going to call on me. I was fiddling with my pencil. As a young boy, I liked sticking my pencil in my nose. At this moment, the eraser fell off and it was stuck up my nose. I was panicked. I could not get it out, no matter how much picking at it I did. For 3 weeks, I stayed awake at night worrying about the eraser that by now, must have been lodged in my brain. I was afraid to talk to anyone about it because I thought I'd get into trouble. One night, this would be another paragraph. I'd leave it in there. One night, this is a transition, I was doing my homework and sneezed. Out flew my eraser. My worries were over. I gained a valuable lesson. Never stick anything into your nose or ears during reading class. And so that is my anecdotal story. All right, so I'm going to make this somehow. You can see, I see how I can slide the boxes and I can make the paragraphs length. So now I have it, my writing's on here, my 3 pictures are on here. You might want to label your pictures, and I'm going to show you how you can do that in our next lesson. I'm going to show you how to do the animations, label your pictures, and then we're going to show the organization of the slide so it looks nice.